All right, this page I took a picture of. The first thing leaps out off the page is teachers. I mean, that's why I like that, of course. But even more, I like this statistic connection to Bill Clinton and politics. I really like following politics. So let's see what this thing about politics says. So the table, based on a Gallup poll, shows the number of voters in thousands by party affiliation who were expected to vote for Bill Clinton and Bob Dole in the 1996 presidential election. So the Democrats, you can see people vote based on what party they are, and then where it all really gets decided, this number and this number are pretty similar, but everybody's fighting for the independents, right? Both parties are fighting for the independents. And that's simplifying things. You could say, well, hey, it definitely helped the Clinton that he got more Republicans to vote for him than Dole got Democrats to vote for him. But anyway, that's all political science. Let's get to the math. Find the probability that a randomly selected person voted for Clinton. So what we did is we added. Perhaps you can figure out this is the sum of the top 3 numbers, and this is the sum of all 6 numbers. So there you go. Easy peasy. Moving on to number 32. In the U.S., during the 93-94 school year, 39.6% of all male teachers and 26.1% of all female teachers had 20 years or more of full-time teaching experience. That year, 694,000 males and 1.67 million females were teachers. What is the probability that a randomly chosen teacher in the U.S. that year was a female with 20 years or more of full-time teaching experience? So our denominator is going to have to be the sum of this and this. That's all the potential teachers. And our numerator is how many females are there with 20 years teaching experience. So it's going to be this times this for the numerator. And you end up getting this fraction here. And when we look at that, when we actually do the division on that fraction, we get 19%. There's a 19% chance that if you pick a random teacher, it'll be a female with 20 years teaching experience. Now that is, based on stats from 22 years ago, so things may have changed. So those were just a few additional problems from section 12.5. We'll try to get moved on to 12.6 soon, shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.